Are you looking for a remote job with zero experience? Well, you are in the right place. Today, I am sharing the 9 best entry-level remote jobs that are hiring right now in 2024. And guess what? You don't need a college degree or tons of experience. Stay tuned if you're searching for a remote job in 2024, work from home jobs with no experience, or entry-level remote jobs, because you won't want to miss this. Before we dive in, hit that like button if you're excited to start your remote career. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on top job tips and career hacks. I know what you're thinking, but I don't have the right experience for remote jobs. Well, here's the good news. You don't need it. There are so many remote job opportunities in customer service, writing, data entry, sales, and much more that are perfect for beginners. Let's get into it. Here's the best entry-level work-from-home jobs in 2024. First up is data entry clerk. This job is one of the easiest to land, requiring only basic typing skills and a high school diploma. Plus, it's flexible and remote. You can find these jobs on sites like FlexJob and Upwork and Fiverr. Just be careful to avoid scams. Never pay for software or training up front. Opportunity score is 8 out of 10. Pro tips. Data entry is also one of the most searched remote job categories, so you'll find plenty of opportunities. Next is the virtual assistant role. If you're organized and can multitask and love scheduling, this job could be for you. Your tasks might include managing emails, organizing calendars, and filing documents. Belay and Boldly are great places to find legit VA jobs. Opportunity score is 7.5 out of 10. Pro tip, bonus skills like updating social media profiles can help you move into higher paying roles like social media specialist. Ever thought about being a remote customer service representative? It's a job where AI is actually helping, making tasks easier for support agents. No experience is needed except strong communication skills. You can start by checking companies like HubSpot and others for job listings. Opportunity score is 8.5 out of 10. Pro tip, learning some basic AI tools like chat box management will give you a leg up on this job. Do you love writing? As a freelance writer, you can get paid to write blog posts, web articles, or newsletters, all from the comfort of your home. Many jobs don't even require experience, just a portfolio. You can showcase writing samples from internship schools or volunteer projects. Opportunity score 8 out of 10. Pro tip, start by creating a profile on Fiverr or Upwork and network with potential clients on LinkedIn. ESL Teacher. Love teaching, online tutoring, or teaching English as a second language? ESL is another fantastic entry-level job. Platforms like Varsity Tutors and Chegg are always hiring tutors. And if you're interested in teaching English, certifications like TOEFL or CELTA will open up even more opportunities. Opportunity score is 8.5 out of 10. Pro tip, you don't need experience, just subject expertise and a love for helping others. Got an eye for detail? Try becoming an online proofreader. You'll correct grammar, spelling, and a style for various written content. Many proofreaders don't need formal education, just a familiarity with style guides like AP and Chicago Manual of Style. Opportunity score is 7.5 out of 10. Pro tip, consider getting a certification from NYU's proofreading course to boost your credibility and stand out in the applications. Next, if you're great with people, try remote sales representative. These jobs don't require previous experience, just great communication and sales skills. You can work in industries from tech to consumer products, and many roles offer commissions in addition to base salaries. Opportunity score is 8 out of 10. Pro tip, this is one of the best paying entry-level remote jobs, and you can find roles on LinkedIn and Glassdoor. Are you always on TikTok or Instagram? Companies need social media coordinators to manage their online presence. This job is perfect for creatives who can plan content strategies, track analytics, and build engagement. Familiarity with digital marketing strategies will help you advance in this role. Opportunity score is 8.5 out of 10. Pro tip, you can find these roles on any platform, but bonus point is if you're a social media user yourself. Finally, if you're artistic, graphic design might be your dream remote job. You'll need software skills like Adobe Illustrator, but many companies hire designers with just a portfolio and no degree required. Opportunity scores is 9 out of 10. Pro tip, start building a portfolio by doing freelance projects on sites like Dribbble, and check out design job listings on AIGA. So which job on this list sounds perfect for you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more remote work ideas, make sure to watch my videos on the 7 remote jobs that are always hiring. You can click right here. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for weekly tips on remote jobs, career growth, and freelancing strategies. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, be freelantastic.